Hello.
Hi, Olga.
Hi.
We're here to ask you 73 questions. Can we
Awesome.
come in?
Come on in.
Okay, great. What's your wake-up ritual?
Fresh squeezed lime juice and some coffee or tea. Would you like some?
Oh, I'd love some. What's your favorite time of day?
Early in the morning or late at night when everybody else is sleeping.
Okay, what's your biggest weakness?
Sugar,
What's your biggest strength?
inner confidence and perseverance.
What's the biggest learning experience you've had?
I don't have one huge learning experience. I feel I learn something every day.
And what makes you angry?
Big egos, narcissistic behavior, virtue signaling when there's nothing to be signaling about.
This tea looks amazing, by the way.
Great.
What's one vice you wish you could give up?
Sugar, like not eating sugar ever.
Wow, that'd be hard. What are you excited about these days?
Mostly about new chapter of my business, and it's definitely new and exciting.
What's one product you can't live without?
Eye cream, of course, Olga Lorencin eye cream.
What event in your life changed you the most?
Coming to United States.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you about life right now?
8,
Describe yourself in a hashtag.
#slay.
If you could do a love scene with anyone, who would it be?
Too many possibilities, too little scenes.
If your life was a musical, what would the title be?
Coming to America.
What's one thing people don't know about you?
I love high performance driving. When I was in my 20s, I actually went to high performance driving school.
What's one thing you miss about the country you were born in?
Vacationing on the Adriatic Sea, vibe, people, food.
What's your go-to bedtime ritual?
Hot shower, body treatment, some skincare, great book, and a tea.
What do you want to be doing in 10 years' time?
10 years, how about 5? Sailing around the islands, someplace.
Sounds amazing. What is one thing you wish you could do to change the beauty industry?
Less BS and more integrity.
Okay. Dream person to meet?
Dolly Parton. But talking about meeting people, I would like you to meet our production manager, Vivian.
What's the biggest surprise you've had?
I don't think I ever had some huge surprise. I had a lot of surprises, but I don't know anything huge.
Heels or flats?
Heels,
Books or movies?
both.
Style icon?
Claudia Cardinale.
Oh, love her.
Vivian, hi.
Hi,
What are you doing?
just working.
Of course you are.
I actually have a few questions to ask you.
Awesome. Go for it.
All right, so what are 3 things you can't live without?
Orange lipstick, coffee, Charlie, of
Oh, yeah,
course.
he's cute. What's one ingredient you put in everything?
Lactic acid. Well, I would like to put in everything.
What 3 people, dead or alive, would you make dinner for?
King Henry III, Claudia, Polina Poriskova, and Robert Plant. But they all need to be in their late 20s.
Biggest fear in life?
Being stuck in a little room and not being able to breathe.
Window or aisle seat?
Window.
Perfect, because I need to book your flight and get back to work.
Oh, well, bye, Vivian.
Bye.
Oh, by the way, this is a board for our new launch.
Oh, wow. That looks great. What is your current mood?
Orange, sunny side up.
Somewhere you've never been that you want to go?
Maldives.
Secret talent?
I have an incredible sense of smell. If I get something from a lab that is not right, I can smell it immediately.
Most adventurous thing you've done in your life?
My whole life is a big adventure. Do you mind if I test a few samples?
Oh, yeah, go right ahead. How would you define yourself in 3 words?
Outgoing, stubborn, selfless.
Favorite piece of clothing you own?
Motorcycle jacket, size 0. I can no longer wear it, but my daughter looks great in it.
Must-have clothing item everyone should have?
Jeans.
Superpower you would want?
World domination.
Okay, what's inspiring you right now?
My business, my daughter, just life itself.
Best piece of advice you've ever received?
I don't think I ever received an earth-shattering piece of advice.
Advice you'd give your teenage self?
I wish teenage Olga could give me some advice. She was fearless and awesome.
A book or author that everyone should read.
Dostoevsky.
What would you like to be remembered for?
Integrity.
How do you define beauty?
I don't think I do. It's very personal.
What do you love most about your body?
Well, now that I'm older, not anything in particular. When I was younger, everything.
Best way to self-care?
Sleep.
Favorite artist?
Kandinsky.
If your life were a song, what would the title be?
Life is a highway.
If you could master one instrument, what would it be?
Piano.
If you had a tattoo, where would it be?
I don't think I'm good with tattoos. I have a hard time picking a symbol or couple of words that I could identify with. By the way, should we leave this and go maybe have a drink?
Yeah, let's do it. Pink or blue?
Blue.
What's your spirit animal?
Tiger.
Best gift you've ever received?
A really cool watch for my 50th birthday and everything my daughter gives me probably.
Best gift you ever gave?
I don't know. I do love to give gifts.
What's your favorite movie of all time?
Out of Africa.
What's your favorite color?
Orange.
Top 3 favorite bands?
Led Zeppelin, Rolling Stones, Allman Brothers Band.
Okay, cool. Diamonds or pearls?
Pearls.
Designer or vintage?
Designer.
Blow dry or air dry?
Air dry.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Dark chocolate or milk chocolate?
Dark chocolate.
Beach or the snow?
Beach.
Summer or winter?
Summer.
You're stuck on an island and you can pick one product to bring with you. What is it?
Well, if you're on an island, you have to have sunblock.
Favorite woman in history?
Mother Teresa, and closer to home, my grandmother Mila.
A skill you're working on mastering?
I don't know. Fermenting vegetables.
Best thing to happen to you today?
I put my makeup on and I have my hair on and here we are.
You look beautiful.
Thank
Worst
you.
thing to happen today?
Well, I'm going to have to watch this video and critique it later on.
Well, you're doing great.
But now I'm going to have to go back to work.
Okay.
So,
Well, a few more questions. Best compliment you've ever received?
probably something with my skill or the brain.
Cats or dogs?
Cats.
What lesson has being a mother taught you?
Time is precious.
What makes you laugh the most?
My team, cats, life itself.
Okay. If you made a documentary, what would it be about?
By the way, we are making a documentary, and so check us out in about a week. It's about how we make a product. You'll love it.
Oh my gosh, that sounds great. I'll definitely watch. Well, thank you for letting us ask you 73 questions, Olga.
You're welcome, and bye.
Bye.